What's going on, everyone? It's Akshay Jana, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of trading. Whether you're eyeing that dream car, early retirement, or just want to grow your wealth, trading can be your ticket. But let's be real, getting started can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. That's why I'm breaking down the essentials, the must-knows, before you even think about hitting that buy button. We'll cover everything from different types of markets to understanding risk, and even how to choose the right trading style for you. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get you trading smart, not hard. Okay, so you want to trade, but have you ever stopped to think, where does this all actually go down? Well, it all starts with markets. Think of them like giant online marketplaces where buyers and sellers come together to trade everything from stocks and bonds to commodities like gold and oil. Now, there are two main types of markets you need to know: exchanges and over-the-counter markets, or OTC for short. Exchanges are like the New York Stock Exchange, big, regulated, and everybody knows about them. OTC markets, on the other hand, are more like the Wild West of trading. They're less regulated, and you'll find a wider range of assets traded here. Choosing the right market depends entirely on your strategy and what you're trading. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the markets, the smarter decisions you'll make with your money. Now let's talk about time. Specifically, how long you plan on holding an asset. In trading, we've got different time frames. Everything from super fast scalping to long-term investing. Short-term trading, like day trading or swing trading, is all about capitalizing on quick price movements. If you're more of the slow and steady wins the race type, long-term investing might be your game. The beauty of trading is, you get to choose your own adventure. Let's talk about the R word, risk. Trading involves risk, it's the name of the game. But it's not about avoiding risk altogether, it's about managing it like a boss. Every trade you make has the potential for both profit and loss. A good trader knows this and accepts it. They have a plan, a risk management plan. This means setting stop-loss orders, which automatically sell your position if the price drops below a certain level. Another crucial aspect of risk management is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even crypto. Risk management might not be the sexiest part of trading, but trust me, it's the most important. Now let's dive into the exciting part, the different types of trading. Think of it like choosing your fighting style in a video game. Each style has its own strengths, weaknesses, and requires a different set of skills to master. First up, we've got day trading, the adrenaline junkie of the trading world. Then there's swing trading, a more relaxed approach where you hold trades for a few days to weeks. If you're all about momentum, then momentum trading might be your jam. Finally, for the patient and disciplined, we have long-term investing. This involves holding assets for years, focusing on fundamentally sound companies with strong growth potential. The key is to find a style that aligns with your personality, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Alright, you've made it this far. You understand the markets, timeframes, risk management, and even found your trading style. Now, it's time to get your hands dirty and make your first trade. But first, you need a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the markets, the platform where you'll execute your trades. Do your research, compare, and choose one that aligns with your needs. Look for a platform with a user-friendly interface, a wide range of trading tools, and excellent customer support. Many brokers offer demo accounts, which allow you to trade with virtual money. Start small, manage your risk, and never stop learning. And there you have it, your crash course on the essential things you need to know about trading. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of trading is vast and constantly evolving, so never stop learning, adapting, and refining your strategies. Most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every trader, even the most successful ones, started somewhere. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you on your trading journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading insights.